Hello, my name is MapleBitmap, and today on MapleBit Studio, we're going to be taking a look at this toy-grade helicopter. You can buy this at CVS for only $20. It's called the BlackSpider-XT. Now, I'm not expecting much, but for how little this costs, I think we can have some fun with it. This is the BlackSpider-XT. Now, it comes with everything you need except for batteries. I've already taken this apart and added the batteries, but let's have a look at what's in here. We got the helicopter. We got some extra blades in case they break, and the controller. Looks pretty simple. Now it does look like you need a direct line of sight between the controller and helicopter to make it work. The left joystick is the throttle, so the more you push it up, the faster it's going to spin. Now, it seems like the back rotor isn't working, so we're not able to control it once we get in there. It has some pretty good power behind it. It lifts off really well, and I think it would work pretty decent for the price if everything was working. Now, the CVS I went to had two of these, so I'm going to try to take it back in and switch it out for the other one. Hopefully the other one isn't broken, and I'll get another review later. Thank you for watching. My name is MapleBitmap, and this is MapleBit Studios. If you liked the video, please give us a like. And I would also appreciate it if you could give me a comment and let me know how I can improve my videos. If you like this type of content, please subscribe, and I have more videos coming soon. Thank you.